A bike tour in California is 9,723 miles long. If the tour group can bike 29 miles each day, how many days will they need to complete the tour? All right. First, let's think about what the question is asking us. The bike tour is 9,723 miles long, and the group can bike 29 miles a day. So we want to know how many 29-mile days fit into 9,723 miles. So when we want to know how many equal groups fit in a total, we use division. And in this case, we're going to do 9,723 divided by 29. So let's set it up. Set up our long division. We have our larger number on the inside, 9,723. We have our small number on the outside. And whenever we want to divide a two-digit number from a four-digit number, we look at the first two digits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 29 goes into 97. We'll go with 3 times. Now we multiply 3 times 29. Now if you're not sure, there's absolutely nothing wrong with going off to the side and doing 3 times 29. So let me do that over here. 3 times 9 is 27. Write out your 7, carry over the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. We get 87. Now we're going to subtract those numbers. 97 minus 87 is 10. Drop down your 2 and repeat the process. How many times does 29 go into 102? I'm going to guess 3 again. Now, 3 times 29, I already know what it is 87. And we're going to subtract. So when we subtract, let me see, 2 minus, no, carry a borrow from you, make you a 9, make you a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then we're going to drop down the 3. Now we wrap this problem up by asking ourselves how many times 29 goes into 153. So I'm going to guess 5. And if you're not sure what that is, do 29 times 5 over here like we did before. 5 times 9 is 45. Write out your 5, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So that becomes 145. Now we subtract, borrow from the 4, make you a 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. So since there's no other numbers to drop down, we have a remainder of 8. So what does this mean? Well, when we get 335 with a remainder of 8, that means we have something left over, okay? And even though it's 8 miles, the rider still needs not just 335 days. See, that's the point we're trying to make, okay? How many days will this take? Well, it will take 335 days and then some. So what we're going to do is we're not going to answer 335. Because if you're thinking 335, that's not going to cover all of these miles because it's going to be 8 miles short. So our answer is going to be 336 days. So these problems are kind of complicated, especially when you have remainders, but we did it. And that's that for division.